What's up everybody? My name's Hen and I hope you are having a wonderful day today. So in this video, I'd like to go over the Black Tux experience. The first part of the video is going to be about the unboxing. In the beginning of the video, you saw how dope that packaging was, so I'd like to share with you guys how it looks on the inside. And then the second part is going to be about everything you might want to know or need to know. It can range from how it works, the fitting, etc, etc. And then the last part is I'm going to put on the suit for you guys. Oh man, this is great. And you guys can be the judge to see if you like to work with them in your future events. Alright, let's get going. Before I suit up, I want to inform you everything you might need to know before you place an order. My recommendation is for you to go on their website. Alright, so on their website right here on thebblacktux.com, you can see that they have many options you can do. From the get-go, you can see on the tuxedos and suits for rent and for keep, so you can just just click on get started and go for it. Next up, down here, you can find your perfect look. I mean, they have a bunch of options. Have fun browsing it. Right down here, you can just click on Browse Collection. As for pricing, expect to spend around $200 for the rental and around 3 to 4 times when you want to buy it. And then the last thing is, it's about the fit, and there are 3 different ways. But I highly recommend this one. Visit a showroom near you. That's where they have a person where they can measure and find the best fit for you. The showroom experience for me was great. The lady that helped me out was very nice. It was also very nice to have that extra pair of eyes to see if the fit was off. They also help you check out if you didn't do it on the website or if you just wanted to do it in person. So whichever route you decide to choose and you place your order in, shipping normally takes about 4 to 7 business days. I got mine in about 5 business days. Alright, it's time to suit up. Here it is, fellas. This is it. Man. You guys, the 360 view. Man. It's been so fun to record this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it helps your decision on whichever rental or tuxedo rental company you're gonna go for. Subscribe if you want more random unboxing videos like this. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.